The new video on Jira. So here we will see the labels. So what is exactly a label in Jira? So what I will do is, so suppose I will pick EA5, EA9, EA10, EA8. 4 user stories I will pick, and I will just put it as, here you can see the labels. So suppose these user stories, 4 user stories, I am picking in release 1, or I need to put it as, okay, these 4 labels are picked up by dev, or picked up by unreleased 1, or picked up for customer support, or picked up for anything like this can be a unique identifier for these 4 user stories, which will be different from others. So suppose whatever you can write, I will just put it as okay, I'll put it as team alpha. So labels can't have spaces, that is a point to note. So I made it as team alpha. Then the next story as well, once you create the label, you will get the label in the drop down. So I will just show you what was the advantage of creating these labels. So suppose I created these labels in these 4 user stories. Now what I will do is, I will just go to filters. So you saw this filter, e-combo filter. Let's say I will create a new filter. See, I am able to see all the issue types, 29 issue types. What I will do is, I will just select the project, e-com Android. It's reduced to 20. In e-com Android, I will just do, what I will do is, I just want all the issue types with team alpha, where team alpha is working. So what I will do is, I'll just go to labels, team alpha. See what happened. Only the 4 issues which was assigned to team alpha or team alpha was working got it here. So this is the way I can filter out if I have the labels. So this label would also help in doing in dashboards. So that is a very big advantage in dashboards. So as this label is a advantage for filter, or it is used to make a filter. So definitely whatever you use to make filters, these filters are the, I would say, the raw material for the dashboards. So how this label would help in making dashboard, that also I will show, but in coming video. So hope this label section helped you guys. So thank you guys for enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe my channel.